Deep Singh, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait for 1 or 2 more minutes. Let's see how many are joining. Hey, have you done your project PPT?
Yes, ma'am. I have done, but it is incomplete.
Can you show me that PPT?
Okay, ma'am. I will show you.
Okay, I'm from here. I'm enabling the screen sharing. Okay.
Ma'am, I have to connect my laptop.
So please
Right
connect
now, I'm
it and
connecting
show
it.
me. Okay.
Okay.
Just connect and show me. It will be good for you also and for me also. Show me the PPT. Have you prepared today's topic, Veer Singh?
Yes, ma'am. Prepared.
Okay. And Aditya Kumar has also joined. Okay. You just connect. I am just asking to Aditya. Okay. Aditya, just connect to audio. Aditya Kumar, please connect to audio. Unmute yourself, Aditya. Am I audible, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you prepared on today's topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please, you proceed. From which branch, Aditya, you are?
Electrical, ma'am.
Electrical. Some project has been given to you. Do you know what the project?
Yes. Ma'am, first class I have not attended.
You have to make a PPT and you have to submit me. Because your number is there in general proficiency in your final year, okay? So you have to submit,
Yes.
each one have to submit the PPT.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you informed that you have to submit the PPT?
Oh, ma'am.
Please
Ma'am,
attend
what is,
and inform your
ma'am?
friends to submit the
Sorry,
PPT
ma'am.
up to 14th of June. Up to 14th of June, you have to submit the PPT.
Yep.
On electrical projects, you are from electrical electrical branch.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you have to do on electrical projects, okay?
Yeah.
And the PPT will be maximum 25 and not less than 20.
Okay.
And also you have to make a report on that PPT.
Ma'am, we have to make the PPT in group or individual?
No, single, individual, because individual marking I will do.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, please enable me. I have connected my laptop.
Yeah, you are connected, Veer Singh. Can you show it to me?
Ma'am,
Can you?
another account I have connected, ma'am. This account now. This is my cell phone, ma'am.
Can you? Will you able to show it to me? Okay, Aditya, please stay on today's topic. on field
Okay,
camera.
ma'am.
Ma'am, it is
What, ma'am?
showing host has disabled participant from screen sharing.
Oh, I have not enabled you. Okay, wait. Just a minute, wait. Can you please check? Please check right now. Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you are enabled. Hey, who is this CKP? Who is this CKP? Name yourself. Who is this CKP? Okay, very nice.
Mm, it's got,
Okay, very good. Wait, 1 minute. 1 minute, yeah. Digitizing empty platforms, automations, networking and communication development, IoT. Okay, very nice. Up to here, very nice. Next slide. Okay. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, this is the graph you have made, na?
yes, ma'am.
Wait 1 minute. And why it is showing like this one? Infrastructure, comma, a full stop. You have not given, I think, this part full stop after here. No. Here, right now here. Example. Come on the right hand side. Right hand side, yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Why it is showing like this?
Color is
No color problem, I don't think. A little bit bold. Little bit bold. That is showing light color. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Very good. Next. Okay, infrastructure, transportation, energy, water, infrastructure. Can you explain what is the meaning of resilience?
ma'am, resilience means in any disaster happening, then we should have any shelter for that purpose. Like in tsunami, if tsunami came, then we should have a proper infrastructure for those people who are affected from
Okay.
these.
Very nice. I'm very happy to see this one. Very good. Next slide.
That's all I have prepared.
Only 6 only.
And I will prepare today only. I will complete them.
Up to 14 you have to submit.
Yes, ma'am. I will submit, ma'am. But in LMS, it is not showing any option.
No, you first complete and inform it to me, okay? After that, I will tell you. You first complete, you people. As Santosh has told me that he have already completed. I will see his slide also today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very nice. The color is color you have given according to the environmental. This very nice combination. Very nice. Okay,
ma'am, one
stop.
question. Here. Your department, I have written EC, ma'am. What is it?
No, in my department BSH.
Okay.
My department BSH. Session this role ID gender proficiency. Okay. One thing I want to say. This
मैम
technology.
सबमिट कहाँ करना है मैम?
Yeah.
सबमिट कहाँ करना है मैम?
Submit. I will say you have completed na.
Yes ma'am.
I will tell you. I will give you my mail. Those who will call me, it is a record. Those who will message me, it is a record. Those who will not, definitely I am not going to give them 80 marks. Then at that time, no
14
one
जून
will
को
say
लास्ट
me.
डेट दिए मैम, तो कब?
You submit in my
14
mail
जून
ID.
लास्ट डेट है मैम, बोल रहे हैं
mail
सबमिट करने
ID.
का, तो
Submit in my mail ID. I will provide you, Santosh.
मैम
You have
मेल आईडी
called
क्या है?
me. You have called me. Na, I will provide you.
मैम मेल
I will give you the WhatsApp.
ओके मैम.
You complete first. You have completed. I will give you the WhatsApp. Okay. 1 minute.
Yes.
Basics only one small thing I want to say. That's this Techno India logo. It will be na up here. Okay. This
Where,
logo.
ma'am?
This logo.
Will be up.
This logo will be here. After that, you write the project. That is Smart City project.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. After that, you write this one. This will be in the lower and upper will be this part. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. Now you stop sharing. Santosh, you please share the screen now. And who is this CKP? I want to know his name. Okay, Santosh, can you share the screen? Santosh.
यस मैम, थोड़ा सा वेट कीजिए मैम.
Okay, I will wait up to here. I am Veer Singh Sundi. Please tell me something about this field camera.
Ma'am, field camera is a small size camera of size 20 mm length, having diameter 10 mm. It have 6 LEDs inside in front side of the camera, and it is used for endoscopy field camera. And it was developed by Gaby and Paul Soin in 1997, and it got approval, FDA approval in 2001.
So how we can say what is the definite, what is the proper size of a field camera? If
Proper
someone
size,
asks you, what is the size of a field camera?
20 mm.
20 mm mean what is the size? I don't know what is this 20 mm. Then how I will understand? I don't know what is 20 mm. How you will say me that what is 20 mm?
I will use common convert in centimeters.
What is the size of a peel? Just
2
like the
centimeter.
size of a peel. Okay. You have seen the vitamin pills. I hope in your life all have seen the vitamin pills in his or her life. Okay. So just the size of a vitamin pill. So that's why its name is given as peel camera. And it travels to our body.
शेयर करें मैम.
Okay, Santosh, you share. After that, I will continue. Please share. I have given you the option of sharing.
यस मैम.
Yeah, please show.
सो हो रहा है मैम.
Yeah, properly. Please speak in English at least.
यस मैम.
Oh my God. Okay. Index,
One minute, ma'am.
page, chapter.
एक
वो that one is
एक मिनट मैम.
कौन सा मूवी है? Okay.
ये रहा मैम.
Yeah, sure. Abstract. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Abstract. Wait, don't be so fast. Semester 8 this. Santosh, one thing I will say to you. The
Yes,
margin
ma'am.
part, please give slightly in the right hand side and left hand side, please give some more space as a margin, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next. Center object saving overview of process. Oh, in overview of process, what things you have written?
क्या ma'am?
In overview of process, what you have written? And why you have written it in a so big font? Like objective and general, you can write this one also, no? Overview of process.
Ma'am, in first page I write it.
No. In overview of process ना, वो font जो है ना, the font size will be as
Chapter.
same as the general and objective. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Size of the font I am telling you, and again in chapter 3 the detailed explanation of process is there. This all screaming aeration and all this frame sedimentation and all this thing, use that font only. If you are
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
writing in bold, use bold only. And again,
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
margin part. Okay, on this side the content and all those margins should be equal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next. Here also the same font and margin. Next.
Okay.
You do some colorful. Do little bit colorful, and after affair, since treatment is a costly affair, no space. Margin. In general, you have written general should be in one of the color. Purification of air will be in one color. Okay, next. Objectives will be in color, margin. Next. Oi, how it is? From where you have copy pasted this one?
मैम ये बनाने नहीं आता है मैम, तो इसको स्क्रीनशॉट लेके कहीं से किए थे मैम.
Why you don't know how to make? From
मैम ये
tables.
लाइनिंग टेबल वाला नहीं बनाने आता है.
अरे बाबा.
बहुत ट्राई किया मैम, नहीं हुआ तो लास्ट में.
Copy paste. Next. Chapter 2. See na, chapter 2, chapter 3 है ना? Remove this one.
Okay.
Remove this one because you have done there chapter 2 in a so big, I mean so small, and here again chapter 3 in so big. Okay, 3.1. You just write chapter 3, not 03 like this. You have to give page number also. That which slide it is, you have to give the slide number also, the margin also. Okay, next. Okay. Fine screen, bar screen. Okay, next. Coloring, huh? The slides will be in color, so it will look attractive. Font size, maintain one particular font size. Don't always change the font sizes. May just try to do in a particular font in which you are doing all those things.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next. Okay, next. See where you have to give the comma, and after comma you have to give the space or not. Check sometimes the font, somewhere it is bold, somewhere it is without full letters. Take the font size also.
Okay, ma'am.
The margin is also, coloring is also missing. Next. Here, see how the margin part is so bad. See the margin part, how bad you. Next. In down you have to write this is the figure of what and what figure number this one, because earlier also you have given some figures. So please mention the number of the figures, that is figure 1, this is figure 1.1a, of which chapter you are doing. Then it is of chapter 3, then chapter, then figure 3.a or 3.1, and just write the name of the figure what you are showing in the diagram. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
below you have to write those things like chapter 3, then chapter 3, this is the first diagram, then you have to write 3.1 like this thing. Next, filtration. Okay. Okay, next. See, again you have given this one diagram. See, margin, margin diagram you have to
Okay,
give. Pressure filter. What is this pressure filter? Nothing is written downwards. If you're giving this figure, then it denotes that it is for both the figures. It's for both this gravity filter and this pressure filter. If it is a pressure filter, then give it down the pressure filter.
मैम तो इस पीपीटी को देख के मतलब एक्सप्लेन करना होता है तो कर लेंगे मैम एक्सप्लेन.
Explain give अच्छा मतलब it is not looking good ना.
Yes.
यहाँ पे देखो garnet sand and क्या है ilmenitite. See.
Ilmenite, ma'am.
Ilmenite, whatever is this, I don't know. Or I don't have any idea. See the space. One word set. Next. Rapid. You have to write the figure. Figure what of chapter what? Huh?
Yes,
Next.
ma'am.
You have done very good, but this one my capital totally.
क्या मैम?
Why have written capital?
हेडिंग है मैम इसलिए.
Huh? This is the heading.
मैम इस पेज का ये हेडिंग है इसलिए उसको कैपिटल में.
Please, before submitting, please look those things. If you have submitted, then what would happen? I have deducted some marks over there. Definitely, I will deduct the marks. That's why I have told you people to show to me before submitting. Next. Next. 1 minute. Back to the previous slide. Yeah. One question is there for you. Temporary hardness, you have written calcium carbonates, magnesium bicarbonates, you have given full stop. And after here you've given this permanent hardness. Okay, calcium sulfate, chlorides and nitrates, you haven't given full stop. Again, magnesium sulfates, chlorides and nitrates, no full stop. What is the reason? And in all the PPTs, whether there are two types of hardness, AB you have mentioned. You can write here 1, 2 under AB 1, 2. This type of symbol, what is denotes? If for everywhere you are denoting this symbol. Permanent hardness, you can denote it by AB if you have written then 1 and 2, small I once and small I 2 times. Don't denote everything with this symbol. Particular one symbol, please don't use. Next. See again chapter 4. What does it signs? What is the sign of this? Flow diagram of water treatment plant. This is out of margin.
Okay, ma'am.
And flow diagram, where you have written flow diagram, first letter will be in capital.
Okay, ma'am.
Next. Conclusion here you see. Chapter 4, how you have written, show me chapter 4. See. Chapter 5, how you have written? See. The color. The font size. Okay, I hope you have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me the first page, the introduction page, how you have written your name, roll number, and all those things? I want to see that one. The first slide, where your name and all these things are there. It is not correct, okay? Veer Singh, can you able to show me right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please show it to me. Santosh, you stop sharing. See how Veer Singh Sunit has been. Like this, you all people have to do. Okay. This is the accurate way how you have done. Very nicely, very well presented the slides, very decorative on the theme what he is making according to the color he has choose. It is looking very good to the eyes and attractive also. Only one thing, Veer Singh Sundi, that you have to just mention the slide numbers. Okay. Below the slides, you have to write this is slide 1, 2, this step. Okay. Numbering of the
Okay.
slides. Except that, still now what you have made is very good. Okay. Okay, you can stop the slides there. Anyone else? Then Veer Singh, Santosh, Lalita, can you? Have you prepared?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me?
Yes, ma'am.
Please show. So, how much time will you take, Lalita, to show me? And Santosh, please use some PowerPoint templates. It will look good to your slides.
ओके मैम
Okay.
मैम एक्चुअली मोबाइल में उतना अच्छा फंक्शन सब नहीं दिया है मैम
You can go to the cafe now.
अब मैम लॉकडाउन में कहाँ थे फिर
Abhi to lockdown, there is no lockdown right now, Santosh. Please in English class, Santosh, you speak in English.
ओके
At
मैम
least, please try. See, from today we are coming to college. Right now I am in my college chamber. You can go in the morning or in the cafe and you can just prepare the slides. It looks very good part, the outline part, the templates. It makes your slide attractive. The text, fonts and all those things. Content is very good. There is no problem in your content. But those markings and all the margins, all those things are creating little bit issues in your slide. Otherwise, your content part is very good. Okay, Lalita, please show me. Hello? Lalita, I'm audible to you. Oh my God, I don't know this girl. Okay, now we...
Yeah.
huh?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm just trying to share it with mobile.
Okay,
Mm.
wait, Lalita, just wait. You share this slide in the next class, okay? And the next section is okay.
ma'am.
In the next session, you just share. In this session, we are just
Okay,
discussing
ma'am.
about the still camera. Yeah, I was saying something new on the still camera, no? So what is the still camera? Veer Singh Sundia has told me, but in very short, what knowledge I want to share that it is just like a small vitamin size pill. Okay, that travels through your body and taking the pictures. And the main help of this is that it helps in diagnosis a problem that doctor has already found and recommended you for the surgeon. And basically for which purpose it is used, it is already told by Veer Singh Soni that for this endoscopic examination, it is being used. So how, what things comprises of a field camera? What things are there in a field camera? There are lens. Without lens, is it possible to operate any kind of camera? No. A transmitter and batteries. It has cameras, lens, lights, transmitter and batteries. And you know this pill camera is able to take 50,000 color images when it travels through your digestive system. So if anyone told you, means anyone asked you that what are the basic components of a pill camera, is there any difference between a pill camera and a capsule camera? Veer Singh, I am
No.
asking you, can we call
No.
a pill camera a capsule camera?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Absolutely, we can call a pill camera a capsule camera also. So what are the components of a pill camera? Veer Singh, I am asking you.
Yes, ma'am. Lens, first lens, battery,
Yeah.
camera, transmitter.
No, first thing, sir. See, serial wise, I am telling you, okay? The foremost thing important is that lightning device. lightning device, lens, image sensor, and transmitter. And this device, if anyone asks you what is this device used for, so you can say that this device is used to record the photos of digestive tract for medical purpose, and it is used for endoscopy for the visualization of the bowel wall and loop. This is the basic function of a pill camera. Have you ever heard before this? I have given the topic that pill camera. Anyone is aware of this term, this pill camera? Anyone knows? Be honest. Veer Singh, have you
Ma'am, I
heard
have-
this term?
Yes, ma'am, I have heard in Discovery Channel while
Okay.
watching.
Okay. Lalita, have you? Lalita?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Santosh Kumar?
No, ma'am.
So I think this is a very good topic I have given you.
Yes.
And of course, I hope that you people have searched on these things.
Yes.
Okay. Now I will come one by one to you people. First, this pill camera. Santosh Kumar, please tell me something about this pill camera.
मैम
Yeah.
आप लोगों ने सब बोल दिया तो मैं क्या
No,
repeat
no,
हो
no,
जाएगा।
no. Please say me what you have prepared. Please tell what you have prepared.
Okay.
I have just given you this outline. I have also not told you very detailed way because I too don't know in a very detailed way. Be
Okay, ma'am.
honest. I am saying you people that I also don't know this term is very depth. Once I was just searching from some of the topics, I have got in the Google this topic. Really, I find it a very recent thing that I think that I am also not aware of this term, pill camera. Okay, I don't. So I thought that I should share with you people this thing. That how many of you know, how many were updated, because I was not updated on that topic. To be frank, I am saying you people, I have just read that time only something, some slides were there. It was also showing that how a pill camera is traveling to this stomach and this digestive tract, and how this data is being stored. The person is wearing a belt, and all that data recorder are there in the computer. Means a wireless kind of recorder is there, and is being weared by the patient, and it's receiving all the images that are transmitted by the pill camera when it is traveling inside the body and the duct canals. And the computer is just working on this process of the data and all these images. This is still images that they are just showing on the computer screen. I have seen in the operation, some kind of operation is only going on, and all those images are being produced. And when I've searched for this one, I have seen that it is basically used for this medical purpose only, for this tumors in the small intestines, means ulcer, tumors, and all those related to the bowel injury and all those things. Means basically in the digestive tracts and intestines, what problems are facing, that for the treatment of that thing only this one's going on. Okay, please tell me. We are having 2 minutes. Please tell me, Santosh.
Ma'am, pill camera is a device having the shape of a pill consisting a teeny camera. This device is used to record photos of the digestive system for medical purpose. The pill camera is used in the capsule endoscopy. The normal pill camera size is around 26 into 11 mm. As I told that it is used in medical purpose, I want to explain some procedure. In this procedure, the patient swallows the pill camera that records images while passing through the entire system. The main purpose of the manufacturing pill camera is to examine those areas of small intestine that remain unnoticed by other form of endoscopy. The components of capsule camera is lens holder, battery, sensor, transmitter.
And
That's all.
for which treatment it is being